Welcome back to the second session. In this session, we'll go through modeling of columns, beams, and of floors. So that will be the scope of this video tutorial. Just go to story 1. So they're on a plan. So there's the plan view, and I will see here story 1 3.4. To assign your column, you click either these columns or you come to geometry. You see columns there. So for columns, you click on columns. There's a toolbar, then you define it. Let's assume for concrete column, section types, you pick the type you want, whether timber, or steel, or select RC. The section type, let's assume you want to define a new member section. You click on this for the section types, and I have this. So here you could define whether is a rectangular or square column. Can go for this T column, L column, any kind of shape. And so these are the tools available for the types of column. I'll click on this. Let's assume it's 450 by let's say my is 300 by 450. For my column, I'll click add, then I'll close. Here I can see the different types of columns I've defined here. I'll click 300 by 450. So don't bother with all this. Then where I want my column location to be, I just have to click. I'll click 1. So this is the orientation for it. I click this 2, 3, 4, so 5, so 6. So this is the orientation I assume, and I close that. For the beams as well, I come to beam. I change it to reference concrete beam. I select my beam size section. I define my section. I want it to be flange beam, rectangular beam. If you want a tapered section, you could define your H and H1. But I don't want a tapered section. I want a rectangular section. I define my B to be 300. Let's also define our B to say, let's say 450. Then you just click add and close. I want to make sure that my beams are horizontal beams. If you want it to be inclined, then you unmark this box. So for horizontal beams, I mark it. Then I click on drag, so that I click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Unmark drag. Then I can click from here to here. So that's my beam definition. To see how it looks on 3D, you can go to view. This is how the section will be, and you'll see it's on story 2, story 1. So that's how it will be. If I want to view how it looks, I can come here to see my section shapes, to show my section I've defined. Clicking on this, you see the beams and the columns. You can rotate using this toolbox, or you press your shift. So you can use the shift button to rotate as well, and your mouse can zoom in and zoom out. So we define our columns, our beams. Now let's define our slabs. I go back to my plan. I'll go to floor. Then I click on new slab, click on this. Since my slab is homogeneous and I want it to be 150, I'll change my thickness to be 150, and my slab as well, label to be 150. Then I add it. Yes, I close. With this one, you can select slab 150 and use rectangle. Then click point 1, 2, 3. So I'll click 1, 2, and 3. So that one is showing that my slab is cantilevered. That's 1.5, and this line is showing as rigid diaphragm. So I could change that to a shell for my slab to make sure that changing that to shell, I have to select this. Can come here and change it to any kind of behavior. I want it to be a rigid diaphragm, shell, so I choose shell. So now I have my shell. Can view it in 3D. So that's how the model looks in 3D and in the section. So that's the end of this tutorial. But before we end this session, you can activate the section shapes. So that shows our model for the ground floor. I click on save. So next session, I'll save as my desktop. Let's say training one. Save it. Next video will be on how to add the load combinations and how to copy these floors to other floors. See you. Thank you very much. Bye.